Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cary, or near Lake, Indiana the Hills, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Zurich, Wakonda, Island Lake, Cary, Hawthorne Woods, Lake Barrington, Fox River Grove, Barrington Hills, Oakwood Hills, and Prairie Grove around 8:40 p.m. Mundelein, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Round Lake, Long Grove, Round Lake Park, Kildare, and Forest Lake around 8:45 p.m. Waukegan, Gurnee, Vernon Hills, and Green Oaks around 8:50 p.m. North Chicago, Lake Forest, and Lake Bluff around 8:55 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.